Hey everyone! Welcome back to PrimePicks. Today, I'm going to show you how to remotely access your PC using Google Remote Desktop. From setup to accessing it right from your phone, and even how to access a client's PC securely. Let's get started. Open your browser and head over to remotedesktop.google.com, given that link in description. You'll see two options here: access my computer or share my screen. For today, we're going to select Access My Computer. Now you're in the Access section. Wait a few seconds. A pop-up will appear asking you to install the desktop app. Click the Install button. Next, click Accept and Install to download a file called remotedesktop.msi. Once downloaded, double-click to install it just like any other app. Now, let's set up remote access. Feel free to use any name you like. Then click Next. Create a secure PIN. You'll need this every time you connect remotely. Re-enter the PIN and then hit Start. Awesome! Your PC is now online and ready for remote access. Now let's see how to access your computer using an Android phone. Go to the Google Play Store. Search for Google Remote Desktop. I've already installed it, so I'm going to open it now. Make sure you're logged into the same Google account as the one on your PC. You'll now see your desktop name listed. Just tap on it. Now enter the PIN you created earlier. And boom! You're connected. You can now see and control your entire desktop screen right from your phone. It's that easy. Want to zoom or move around the screen? Just use two fingers to pinch, zoom, and drag. Need to open a folder? Double tap to open files and folders just like you would on your PC. Uploading a file from your phone to PC? Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the app. Scroll down and tap Upload File. Select your file, and it will automatically be saved to the desktop on your PC. To download a file from your PC to your phone, select the file on your PC screen. Tap Open, and the file will be downloaded to your mobile device. Now, let me show you how to access your client's PC remotely. Ask your client to visit remotedesktop.google.com/support. They should click Generate Code under the Share This Screen section. This code will allow you to control their PC. It's only valid for 5 minutes, so make sure they send it to you right away. Before doing this, your client must follow the same setup steps we covered earlier, like installing the Remote Desktop app and giving access to their PC. Without this, the code won't work. Go to the same remote support page. Copy and paste the access code into the field labeled Connect to another computer. Then click Connect. A pop-up will appear on your client's screen asking to allow access. Ask them to click Allow. Once they approve, you now have full remote access to their PC and can manage it securely. And that's it. Party Popper, you've now learned how to access your own PC remotely, use your Android phone as a control tool, and even connect to a client's computer for support or troubleshooting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more tech-savvy content from PrimePicks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.